Okay, we've got a Ford AU2 Fairmont. It's basically a Falcon, and we're going to check the wheel alignment with my makeshift wheel aligning tool. So what it is a jig that mounts onto the rim of the tyre down in here. It's lashed to the tyre and it comes up here. It's just supported off the tyre itself. And we've got a string line that runs from the one end of the car to the other, all the way up here. The other tyre. And what we've done is we've measured the distance from here into the string line, there, at the back of the car, and to there. And we've got that string line perfectly straight in line with the wheel, with the rim. And we've got the same thing on the other side. Around here we've got the same thing again. We've got a little bolt here, just mounts onto the rim there, and this mechanism lashed to the tyre, another bolt there, and of course it's braced off the top of the tyre here, and that's also tied down. We've also got another string line that comes from the back of the car here all the way through, and we've measured this dimension here and got that string line perfectly straight by the other end of the car. Moving this string up and down with a weight on the end of it and getting that dead parallel. Now the toe end of the car should be, we've got the wheel set dead straight, and the toe end of the car is the distance from that string line here to there, and that one here. It should be set in this wheel in this direction slightly by 1.5 to 3 millimeters in. And if I measure that size from there to there, that's on there, that's the exact measurement I get. 1.5 from there in on this side here to that side there, and I get the same result the other side. So the toe end of this car, by adjusting the tie rod ends, is 1.5 to 3 millimeters, and I like them set very finely to 1.5 because the wheels, the tires last for ages. So now we've checked this. I knew it was right in the first place, but I thought I'd put my little contraption to the test, and it actually makes sense. So the wheel alignment on this car is basically set to 1.5 per side, towing in. So these two wheels are like pigeon-toed a little bit in that direction there by 1.5 per side. And thanks for watching.